Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discussing Laravel 11 full course, and this part 23 include a subview in Blade template. And this my official website www.errorsolutioncode.com. Let's start this video. First of all, my Jump server already started Apache and MySQLi. And this already run localhost PSP my admin. Inside this available this database name real estate underscore Laravel underscore 11 and this database name, and inside this available this 10 table. Let's click this user table. This my project directory gem folder. Inside this htdoc folder, and this is a project name Laravel underscore 11 real estate. This project is already open. This my Sublime text editor. Let's open this project. Inside this command prompt open this directory. Inside this command prompt open successfully PSP artisan server and enter. And please copy this URL and hit this my browser. Successfully working good. Let's /admin login. Successfully login screen is available, and this copy this email and password is 123456789. Successfully login. Good working. Successfully login. Let's click this email inside this available compose. This is a step by step file. This file is a include. This file is a common file is a include. Step by step this common file is a include. This same open this email folder. Let's resource view admin inside this email inside this three type is available. This same is available. The single file is a implementation. This is a implementation in this single file. This is available. This not a common file. Less common file is a include. Less common file is a include. This common file compose mail. This tag minimize. This is a common file is a include. This common. And this recommend. Let's comment save file and click this read. Let's click this read. This successfully HTML. This not a HTML. Let's back button click this. Inside this read. Let's compose. And this send inside this available read. And this is available inside this read is available. Successfully this is a remove. Sidebar is a remove. Let's new file is a include. This file name is a sidebar underscore sidebar blade PSP. Successfully create the sidebar blade PSP. This uncomment in this cut and save file inside this paste here. Successfully save. Let's refresh this page and this successfully remove. Let's this file is inside this include and this file is include. File is admin dot email dot underscore sidebar sidebar and save file and refresh this page. Successfully available. This common file is include. Let's same here copy this same here. Inside this compose file is open. Inside this remove. This tag is a remove. Let's remove and remove the save file. Let's compose click this. Successfully remove and this copy and paste here. Inside this paste here. Successfully save file. Let's refresh this page. Successfully available inside. Let's send. Click this send inside this include. Send inside this available send, and this is a include. This available inside. Let's minimize and this remove. Not use this remove and include. This file is a include. This file is already include. This copy and paste here. Save file and refresh this page. Some same is available. Working fine. Let's read. Read is a remove this, not use this read. Let's read is a remove and open this body inside this sidebar inside this available read. This read and inbox is a remove, not use remove, and this only this available. This compose and this send email. This two is a successfully set. Good working. And this send is a successfully working. Compose and send. Next video is add this in box. Let's this same is open this sidebar. Sidebar is step by step implementation. This compose inside this implement this remove URL and this same here copy this compose, click this compose and this copy and paste here. Successfully paste. This good. Please writing this inside this two menu is a remove. Compose set. Compose email. This inbox is available. This inbox as it is. This remove this email. Save file. This send email is already available. Send mail. Let's click this send mail and this URL is a copy. Send mail URL. Save file. Let's import is as it is. This not sends. This not sends. This business successfully send. All good. Let's click this compose. Successfully working. Let's send mail. Successfully working fine. Good working. Let's read. And this is a working good. This all fine. This compose is successfully business is a active. Less business. Send is a same is a copy and business email is available. This business. This remove and click this save file. Let's refresh this page. Successfully business is available. Good working. And this available active menu. This active menu, let's check this active menu. This active menu is inside this class is check this class. Compose, click this compose and this working fine. This inbox send. Inbox, this is a active menu. Let's check this active menu class. Now but this is a menu is a active. This menu is a active available. This good working. This menu is a active menu is a available. Let's active menu and this is a active menu is a let's check this active menu. Let's inside this paste here this cut and remove this active and this sidebar is a remove dashboard in this email. This compose, let's compose is a set and this 3 type. Let's save file and refresh this page and this active good. Let's email send and this inactive. Wait, this inactive set. Successfully inactive. Let's this is a email send inactive. Let's copy this same is a copy and inside this item inside this paste here and this last name is a send. Save file and refresh this page. Successfully this active. Let's click this inbox and the successfully active. Click this inbox. This inbox not available as only compose email. Inbox is not available. This is a not a inbox. Let's inside this index inbox is a set. This inbox not available inside this remove and this is not a active. Successfully not active. Good working. This business is only active. Let's same here copy and business inside this paste here. This active menu is a paste. Good working. This is the implementation. Let's compose mail is successfully this active. Let's inside this send And this compose is a deactive. Let's set this deactive is working, cannot working. This is a successfully fine. This is a active. And this compose is the active, successfully set. This is a menu is a successfully set. Inside this menu is a set. Please writing this step by step this file. Save file. Please step by step this writing. All good. Let's dynamic set. Let's dynamic set mail service. This mail service is as it is. This is a only default. Let's dynamic name set auth users name. Save file. Let's refresh this email, not a name, email. Save file. Let's refresh this page. Successfully this login is an email successfully set. This good working. Please writing this step by step this file. All successfully set. And this new create file, inside this only include this part. Only this part is a include. This compose read file, inside this include. And this send file is a include. Good. This file is successfully include. Any doubt, so please contact this my official website. Error solution, Telegram, WhatsApp and Skype is available. Any doubt, so please contact. And this my channel Error Solution. Please subscribe and click the bell icon. New never missing new video. Inside this social media link is available: Facebook, Instagram and GitHub. Please follow this all link. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.